Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will explain about memory management and memory leaks. Before proceeding to the actual topic, let's understand what is memory and how data is stored in the memory. I am sure that you all have heard about the term RAM or random access memory. RAM is the memory in Android devices or computers that is used to store current running application and their data. I am going to explain two main characters in the RAM, that is stack and heap. The stack is used for static memory allocation while the heap is used for dynamic memory allocation. Just keep in mind that both the heap and the stack are stored in the RAM only. Let's discuss about stack. The stack is used to store function call frames and temporary data such as function parameters and local variables. The stack operates in a last in first out, that is LIFO system, meaning that the most recently added data is removed first. The size of the stack is limited and predetermined, so care must be taken to avoid stack overflows when allocating large amount of data on the stack. There are some limitations of the stack. The very first one is size limitation. The size of the stack is limited, usually determined by operating system or the compiler. If the program tries to allocate too much data on the stack, it may result in a stack overflow which can cause the program to crash or behave unexpectedly. The next one is LIFO property. The stack operates on LIFO manner. This property can make it challenging to implement certain algorithms and data structure that require the ability to access data in different order. The next one is data visibility. Data on the stack is only accessible within the scope of the function that created it, making it difficult to share data between functions. In general, the stack is a useful tool for managing short-lived data, but its limitations make it unsuitable for long-lived data or the data that needs to be shared between the functions. For those cases, the heap is a more appropriate choice. Let's understand the heap now. The heap is used for dynamic memory allocation, such as allocating memory for objects with a longer lifetime than the stack. It is managed by the program, which can allocate and deallocate memory as needed. The size of the heap is generally much larger than the stack, but it requires more overhead to manage it. The heap can also be subject to memory fragmentation, which can lead to memory allocation failure sometime. Java heap memory is used by virtual machine to allocate objects. Whenever you create an object, it's always created in the heap memory. To provide a smooth user experience, Android sets a hard limit on heap size for each running application. The heap size limit varies among devices and is based on how much RAM a device has. If your app hits this heap limit and try to allocate more memory, then it will receive an out-of-memory error and will terminate. Let's understand how data is stored and cleared in the stack and heap. Till now in the video, we came to know that the stack is used for function calls and temporary data storage. When a function is called, a new frame is pushed onto the top of stack, which contains the data associated with the function. When the function returns, the frame is popped off the stack and the memory associated with the function is automatically freed by the system. In short, when the methods are terminated, the objects in the particular method's stack block will be released. Now what about heap? The heap is different from the stack. For releasing and reclaiming the objects from the heap memory, we need help. Here is the role of garbage collector comes. It detects the unused objects, release them and reclaim more space in the memory. The garbage collector is looking for unused and unreachable objects constantly. When there is an object in the heap that does not have any reference pointer to it, the garbage collector will take care of releasing it from the memory and reclaim more space. Now comes the point, when and how do memory leaks happen? When garbage collector fails to remove unused object from the memory, then memory leak happens. The memory unit that hold the unused objects will be occupied till the end of the application or method. So basically, memory leaks are failure to release unused objects from the memory, means there are unused objects in the application that the garbage collector cannot clear from the memory. In next video, I will explain memory leak causes, how can we avoid the memory leaks in the application, and I will share some tools that can help you to identify memory leaks. Subscribe my channel to stay tuned for more informative videos.